everyone and welcome to another video. So I am in Ranganathittu. It's a bird sanctuary and I wanted to try out something different. Usually bird photography is not my style, but I just wanted to try out something different for this video. And I'm going to be using my 70 to 200 millimeter lens. And you can see the behind the scenes on the Z52, and I'm using a Viltrox 20mm lens. This place is a bird sanctuary and there are a lot of migratory birds, and let's see if we can capture some good images today. This is not my genre, but I'll try to shoot something different today. You can take a shared boat and do a short river ride to get a closer look at the birds.
See the crocodile coming there. On the water.
So, do crocodile eat the birds as well? Sometimes. Wow. It was difficult to capture birds from the moving boat, but I tried to keep the camera as steady as possible.
Artificial. No, natural. River, Cauvery River. Natural, it's natural. River, Cauvery River. Purple heron bird, this one. The single one. Purple heron. Purple heron bird.
Where?
Strike them.
Okay. Oh, wow. Generally.
Open bill stop. Black and white.
Yes.
See? White, yellow color. Yeah. Black and white.
Yes.
Between the gap, bill open. Yeah.
Soon we disembarked the boat and I wanted to try a different shooting location. Okay, now I'm on this viewing platform and I can see the birds in distance, though there are a lot of branches and trees. But because of my 70 to 200 zoom lens, I'm even able to focus through these branches directly on to the birds. So I'll just show you that in a minute. Okay, and my daughter is behind the camera who is taking behind the scenes on the Z52 with a Viltrox 20mm lens. I really enjoyed shooting the birds with the 70 to 200mm lens, kept the focus on bird detection mode, and the autofocus was really fast even behind the branches. It's the bird tracking mode. It could track the birds without any focus breathing. I also tracked the birds in flight, though I was not able to keep my camera very steady. I shifted back to the ground and tried shooting from ground level, though the birds were now at a distance, unlike the boat ride where I got a closer look. consider subscribing to my channel if you're enjoying watching these videos, and thank you for your support and watching. See you soon. Bye.